How to trade EURUSD on September 23. Simple tips and trade analysis for beginners. Back trading plan. How to trade EURUSD on September 23. Simple tips and trade analysis for beginners. Mondays. Trade review EURUSD 1H chart. The premium article will be available in 000023.09.2025 AM. The premium article will be available in 000023.09.2025 AM. Mondays. Trade review EURUSD 1H chart. On Monday, the EURUSD currency pair rebounded from the upward trend line and started recovering quickly despite the lack of fundamental or macroeconomic support. No major events or data releases were scheduled in either the Eurozone or the US, so the euro's rise was purely technical. Unfortunately, the rebound from the trendline was not the clearest or most precise, but it was present nonetheless. Therefore, the rather illogical decline of the euro. Last fresh articles are available only to premium users. Read analytics in early access. Getting information first. Get best MetaTrader indicators. Profitable expert advisors.